Everyday English, feelings and family. From A1 sentence to A2 sentence.
Listen and repeat.
I love you.
I love you.
I love my wife.
I love my wife.
He is happy.
He is happy.
He is happy with his new job.
He is happy with his new job.
She is tired.
She is tired.
She is tired after work.
She is tired after work.
I have a cat.
I have a cat.
I have a cat named Luna.
I have a cat named Luna.
We are friends.
We are friends.
We are good friends from school.
We are good friends from school.
It is cold.
It is cold.
It is cold in the morning.
It is cold in the morning.
I eat rice.
I eat rice.
I eat rice with vegetables.
I eat rice with vegetables.
You are kind.
You are kind.
You are kind to your sister.
You are kind to your sister.
They play football.
They play football.
They play football every Sunday.
They play football every Sunday.
I go to school.
I go to school.
I go to school by bus.
I go to school by bus.
She sings well.
She sings well.
She sings well in the choir.
She sings well in the choir.
I like tea.
I like tea.
I like tea with milk.
I like tea with milk.
He reads books.
He reads books.
He reads books about animals.
He reads books about animals.
We live here.
We live here.
We live here with our family.
We live here with our family.
I am hungry.
I am hungry.
I am hungry after class.
I am hungry after class.
She is tall.
She is tall.
She is tall and strong.
She is tall and strong.
I see a bird.
I see a bird.
I see a bird in the tree.
I see a bird in the tree.
He has a bike.
He has a bike.
He has a red bike.
He has a red bike.
I want water.
I want water.
I want cold water.
I want cold water.
They are late.
They are late.
They are late for the meeting.
They are late for the meeting.
I feel sad.
I feel sad.
I feel sad without you.
I feel sad without you.
She cooks well.
She cooks well.
She cooks well for her family.
She cooks well for her family.
We watch TV.
We watch TV.
We watch TV after dinner.
We watch TV after dinner.
I like music.
I like music.
I like music from Senegal.
I like music from Senegal.
He is my dad.
He is my dad.
He is my dad and my hero.
He is my dad and my hero.
I am busy.
I am busy.
I am busy with homework.
I am busy with homework.
She is nice.
She is nice.
She is nice to everyone.
She is nice to everyone.
I walk home.
I walk home.
I walk home with my brother.
I walk home with my brother.
They are here.
They are here.
They are here for the party.
They are here for the party.
I sleep early.
I sleep early.
I sleep early on weekdays.
I sleep early on weekdays.
He is funny.
He is funny.
He is funny and smart.
He is funny and smart.
I like dogs.
I like dogs.
I like dogs and puppies.
I like dogs and puppies.
She has a pen.
She has a pen.
She has a blue pen.
She has a blue pen.
We are ready.
We are ready.
We are ready to go.
We are ready to go.
I am cold.
I am cold.
I am cold without my jacket.
I am cold without my jacket.
He is my friend.
He is my friend.
He is my best friend.
He is my best friend.
I see the moon.
I see the moon.
I see the moon at night.
I see the moon at night.
She is a teacher.
She is a teacher.
She is a teacher at my school.
She is a teacher at my school.
I like apples.
I like apples.
I like red apples.
I like red apples.
They are students.
They are students.
They are students from France.
They are students from France.
I am okay.
I am okay.
I am okay, just tired.
I am okay, just tired.
We eat together.
We eat together.
We eat together every night.
We eat together every night.
He is strong.
He is strong.
He is strong like a lion.
He is strong like a lion.
I am here.
I am here.
I am here for you.
I am here for you.
She is my mom.
She is my mom.
She is my mom and my friend.
She is my mom and my friend.
I like books.
I like books.
I like books about love.
I like books about love.
They are funny.
They are funny.
They are funny and loud.
They are funny and loud.
I am fine.
I am fine.
I am fine, thank you.
I am fine, thank you.
He is fast.
He is fast.
He is fast like the wind.
He is fast like the wind.
I like school.
I like school.
I like school because I learn.
I like school because I learn.
You've taken the first step. A quiet step, but a powerful one. Because every word you learn is a door opening. Every sentence you speak is a bridge to someone new. Every pause, every smile, every hello is a seed of connection. In English Evolution Step 1, you're not memorizing rules. You're learning to live in English, to feel it in your breath, to hear it in your world, to speak it with joy, with courage, with heart. So take your time. Repeat, whisper, laugh. Let the words become yours. Let your voice rise, gently, joyfully, one word at a time. Because English isn't just a language, it's your story, ready to be told. Subscribe to English Evolution Step 1 today and begin your journey today with clarity, with confidence, with community. We're here, we're listening, and we can't wait to hear you speak.